Now, here's how you can make Notion send a daily notification at a time in an iPhone. So, essentially, Notion has a remind feature, which is pretty easy to use, but you need to understand how it works. Essentially, you can get any inside of any of your Notion pages, depends on where you want to be reminded to come back to, obviously. So once you get inside like this example one, I'm going to just go into the text field somewhere and I'll switch my keyboard to this like other character page and tap on add symbol. Now I can mention a person, page, or a date. So we're going to choose the date, but I'm going to type in remind like this. And you could technically just click space and type in December and the specific date and whatever, but I like to keep it simple and just tap on remind tomorrow and we can customize it later, right? So you don't click right there, but you click on this suggested, right? So when you click on this, you can see that it turns into actual working reminder. And this one means that it is like blue, it's already working, but when you tap on it, you can get inside of the calendar view. And as I said, you don't really need to worry about this, but essentially just set it up the way that you want. Just type in tomorrow, get to this page, and now you can just set up that you want to just make it show up on the 30th of December, right? And you're going to be reminded every day on the day of the event, right? Some options, right, available in here, most definitely. So you can just customize it the way that you like. So next Monday, you can see that you can just set up a bunch of different settings in here. So options, there are plenty of options in here available actually, right? So that's essentially how it works. Also, if you want to just be reminded at a specific time, because right now, if we chose the date, I can get the reminder to be like the day before or on the day of the event, but it's always just 9 a.m. If you also want to customize the time, make sure to check the include time option right there, right? So you can see at the bottom there is this toggle, and now above the calendar we don't only have the date, but we also have the time. So just tap on it and use the scroller to just set it up the exact way that you like. Just hit done and you can see that you're going to be reminded next Monday at 1:56 p.m. Well, if you want to do it exactly like every single day, then Notion doesn't really have a daily reminder, even though you can set it up for, essentially, you can copy this and just set it up for essentially every day, but it's kind of like the manual approach. You cannot really automate it. But yeah, that's just essentially how it works. Or every day you can just tap on it and just choose the next day and it's going to remind you the next day again. So that is an option as well. That's it. Hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.